We flipped the script on getting to know our newest members. Instead of asking questions, we gave them the answers. Here's what drives their innovation, one word at a time.
My name is Artur Wyrwa. I am an associate professor at the Faculty of Energy and Fuels at AGH University of Krakow. Our faculty brings together researchers with different backgrounds. This creates the excellent conditions for multidisciplinary research. I believe that effective and timely energy transition is impossible without understanding of industrial needs. ETCA is a good place we can learn more about these industrial needs. What Energy Transition Campus Amsterdam offers to us is access to world-class laboratories, to direct cooperation with specialists that work here. Also possibilities to strengthen the cooperation, for instance, through having students internship here, but also to have some maybe guest lecture of ETCA specialists at our university. What motivates our university to work on energy transition, it's its mission, which has been always to serve the economy and society, and energy transition is key for both. We are starting this collaboration, but the starting is not enough. We have to think about the future, and we have to organize this cooperation well.